A rare pet bone marrow transplant procedure is now on pause. NC State is one of only 2 facilities that offer the transplant for dogs that have aggressive cancers like lymphoma.
There's one family on the wait list, and they hope their appointment will hold as the program does pause. Other families still in limbo. WRL's Chelsea Donovan has the story.
Since 2008, 100 dogs have been treated here at North Carolina State's vet school for a bone marrow transplant. It's many families' last shot at hope for their sick pups, but now the program is on an indefinite hold. This is Coda. In 2021, he came here to NC State's vet school after being diagnosed with aggressive lymphoma. A revolutionary bone marrow transplant saved his life.
Oh, he's just been everything to us.
And this is Blaze, a 4-year-old English Shepherd who loves to hike and play even as he is sick.
He went from, doing a 5-mile run with me a couple days before to laying on the ground, struggling to breathe.
Meredith and David Miller pour their heart and soul into their best friend, who too has aggressive lymphoma.
To us, he's family. He's not just a dog. And
a bone marrow transplant like what Coda had is possibly the only hope for Blaze, and only performed at 2 places in the world, Washington State and here at North Carolina State's Veterinary Hospital.
Without a bone marrow transplant, there's really no chance for him.
The Millers have been on the wait list for the novel transplant procedure. It would cost them around $35 grand, in addition to the $40,000 they've already spent on Blaze's treatments. Right now, they actually have an appointment in April, but they're worried about the other dogs waiting for the procedure as the program went on a sudden pause. The dean of the program told WRAL, at North Carolina State's Vet Hospital, we are not accepting new bone marrow transplant patients at this time as we pause to proactively conduct an external review of the novel program.
If your 4-year-old kid came home from school and had cancer and they're so innocent, they're so sweet, they don't understand what's going on. And sometimes it's all you can do to keep going.
The vet school says they're in touch with all of the families that need this type of procedure, and they're treating everyone on a case-by-case basis. Chelsea Donovan, WRAL News, Raleigh.
Difficult timing for a lot of families. NC State Vet School, they went on to say that the review of the program will look at the risks versus the rewards of this treatment, also saying that they want to provide the animals with the best and most humane care possible, always being their priority.